Hello, everyone. Science Spot is a podcast that shines a spotlight on the latest scientific technology from Japan. Your host is Ram from Science Talk. Today, I want to talk about a joint research project from Japan that focuses on using something you usually throw away, Mandarin orange peels, to help aging dogs suffering from dementia. In recent years, the number of dogs and cats kept as pets in Japan has surpassed the number of children aged 15 and under. As our beloved companion animals live longer, however, a critical social issue has emerged: canine dementia. Often characterized by anxiety-driven behavior like night howling and pacing. To address this challenge, researchers decided to harness the potential of Mandarin orange peels, an unusual resource that contains a high concentration of beneficial compounds. This study was conducted collaboratively by the research group led by Associate Professor Iwai of Kitasato University's and Airwater Inc. Mandarin orange peels (MOP) is rich in a group of natural compounds called flavonoids, which are a type of polyphenol. Flavonoids such as hesperidin and nobiletin are known for their antioxidant properties and have previously shown promising protective effects against Alzheimer's disease in the small animal models. The goal of this research was not only to improve the quality of life for pets and their owners, but also to explore the possibility of applying these findings to find dementia treatment, as companion animals share many disease aspects with humans. To maximize efficacy, Airwater prepared a powder from a MOP, specifically focusing on early ripening mandarins harvested in October from Wakayama Prefecture, as these varieties have significantly higher concentrations of flavonoids. The resulting powder contained 9.3 grams of hesperidin and 41 milligrams of nobiletin per 100 grams. The researchers then incorporated this powder into palatable gelatin cubes, flavored with chicken broth and for easy administration. The team first tested the cubes on 4 healthy experimental beagle dogs. While blood tests suggested that the absorption of main compounds was limited, they observed significant effects on the dog's gut microbiota. We know that the gut and the brain are intimately connected, a pathway known as the gut-brain axis. Disturbance in the gut microbiota are frequently observed in conditions like Alzheimer's disease. After administering the MOP cubes for 2 weeks, the beagle showed a significant increase in the alpha diversity of their gut microbiota. A high diversity in gut bacteria is generally considered a sign of a healthier gut ecosystem. And furthermore, specific bacterial populations changed. They observed a decrease in the Fusobacteriaceae family, which is often associated with inflammation. Crucially, there was an increase in the Egratelaceae family. Bacteria in this family can produce beneficial plant-derived compounds, such as equol, which has been shown to potentially inhibit cognitive decline. The MOP cubes were given to 3 senior companion dogs exhibiting severe dementia symptoms, including night crying and extreme fear. The results are impressive. A 14-year-old female Shiba Inu exhibiting fear, loss of appetite, and night crying showed improvement in all symptoms starting on the 7th day of MOP administration. When the treatment was stopped, the symptoms gradually returned 9 days later, but they improved again when the MOP supplement was resumed. The other 2 dogs, miniature dachshund, also exhibited reduced anxiety and barking. Importantly, no adverse gastrointestinal side effects were reported in any dog during the test periods, indicating the supplement's safety. This preliminary research strongly suggests that the Mandarin orange peel discarded resource is a safe and a promising natural dietary intervention for enhancing both gut health and cognitive function in senior dogs. Thanks to its high content of hesperidin and nobiletin, this is very important research, and Airwater Inc. is now moving forward with the commercialization of a functional dog food based on these findings, making a step forward in promoting well-being for pets and utilizing agricultural waste through upcycling. That's all for today's Science Spot. This podcast is broadcast in both Japanese and English. I'd love for you to listen to the podcast and post your thoughts with the hashtag Science Spot. Thank you for listening and see you next time.